So you could tighten the wig to make sure it doesn't, to secure the wig. Greetings, Argina here from naturalhairmaster.com, and today we have another wig review. And today I'm going to be unboxing the 4A Kinky Big Beautiful Hair from Outre, and it's in the color 1B. So this is what the lady looks like. Because remember what happened last time? I ain't look nothing like that girl on the box. Wishful thinking. Alright. So, let's see what we have. Okay. It looks really coily right now, but I'm going to have to like fluff it out. It's a lace front, so I'm going to have to cut around it and everything. We have this. It has 2 combs. It doesn't smell like anything. And another comb in the back. So 3 combs total. Like I said, I'm going to have to cut this lace. But yeah, there's 3 combs. 2 in the front and 1 in the back. 2 in the front and 1 in the back. Little straps, of course, so you can tighten it around your head. So let me put it on. Let's just see what it looks like. I may have to fluff it out and come back. But this is what. Oh, child. Okay, so I'm gonna have to cut the lace and everything. Okay. Alright. But, okay. Obviously I need to fluff that out. Get it all out. Get it all out and fluff it out. Fluff it out. This ain't no shake and go, okay? This ain't no. So, I like what it's saying. It's saying, okay,